Hello guys, today token is Solar Moon token. Price is $0.00034570. BTC is 74.1% high. BNB is 60% high. Low price is 0.0000 and 0. Price change in 24 hour around $0.00034586. Trading volume in 24 hour around $3,75,000. Total supply is around 1000 trillion Solar token. Its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is contract address. Website is solarmoon.today. We can join on Twitter and Telegram. After that we will enter $1 here, and in $1 we are getting around 28 million Solar token. After that we will come down, and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will open its website. Click on solarmoon.today. I have already opened this website. Solar Moon is the first BSC token that pays return to its holder while reducing our carbon footprint with solar mining. Solar Moon is the first decentralized community solar mining platform. Let's change the way we mine. By Solar Moon, join the Telegram. We can check live chart and the plan. With the use of 6% community wallet contribution on all transaction, we plan to partner with state government and local utilities to build solar farms and will generate power of crypto mining rigs. In America alone, we reduce 4.1 trillion kWh of electricity annually, with only 11.5% coming soon from clean energy source. This leaves a carbon footprint of 1.72 billion metric tons of CO2 each year, with every kW of solar installed producing an average of 1300 kWh annually. Our carbon footprint is reduced by 3000 pounds of CO2. 1 2 MW solar 6 million produce 6 million product of carbon waste annually. The rewards. The thing about our project that makes it too sustainable, that is the community wallet contributors. These solar mining rings will provide rewards based on the amount of Solar Moon someone is holding. We know this might sound crazy, but is state like New Jersey, South Carolina and new 23 other state provinces in the American state federal government will actually pay to fund part of these system, while we will be also able to see the reward from the crypto that is mined. Example of 2 MW solar ring. We can watch this video. Decentralization. Solar Moon prides itself on being a decentralized community platform above all else, and this is Twitter account of this project. Followers is 5889. Solar Moon is the first BSC token pay to return holder while reducing the carbon footprint with social mining. So guys, cryptocurrency is very risky. Invest in cryptocurrency at own risk. Thanks for watching.